What's up, everybody? Maybe asking yourself, what was that? Well, what that was my new series. Yeah, let's call it a series. That sounds pretty professional. A series that I will be doing. It's going to be called Shoot and Throw Free Kick Sessions. What these free kick sessions are just going to be me going outside my backyard or my field, depending on how much time I have. Just going out there for about 15-20 minutes and gathering the shots I have. I'm going to edit them really quickly and upload a quick video of the shots that I believe deserve to be in a video for y'all to see, because I know it's not fair to not upload any videos for y'all to see, and if I have 10 minutes here or there, I think I should upload a video for y'all. So please rate this video if you liked it, or if you didn't like it, please put a dislike. I would like to see my feedback. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I appreciate everybody for watching. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.